phone fell. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere. And yeah. Oh, I just had Jolly here. You guys are on clothes right now, so. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, I have another video for y'all. Why'd I say y'all? That's dumb. Why is my camera shaking? Okay, I'm in my memo's room because whenever I'm excited, I go in my memo's room whenever I'm sick. I'm sorry for my blue tongue. I just had a blue dry ranger. Don't judge me. But, so, you know how I told y'all this more? Oh my gosh, stop saying y'all. You know how I told you guys this morning that I get squishies and glue and stuff. I don't know if I told you, but stop shaking. Literally, it's because the clothes are shaking. I'm so sorry. But, and because it's not the quiet place, that's why I'm in here. And literally, I couldn't find a tracking order, so I didn't know it was gonna be here. I said it was gonna be on the 14th. Well, that's only my squishies. My squishies are gonna be on the 14th. I think I forgot. But my glue, oh my god, I keep shaking the camera. My glue is gonna be here tomorrow. What's that? It's literally, my brother got his fidget spinner today. And he wanted me to make a whole video about it. I was like, heck no. Because he ain't getting another one till the 12th, which is the day after my birthday. And I just found out today's the 5th, not the 6th. So there's 5 more days to my birthday. I'm not going to put my Instagram anywhere because I got my video and in the description. But, yeah. But I'm not going to end this video at all. Because I'm just so excited to show you. I'll show you anything. I'm not showing you anything right now. But, okay, so I went to check the mail today. And we just got home from Elkhorn. I didn't get that much because Mama had to do stuff and she wanted to take me with her. So okay. So we get there, you know, blah, blah, blah. And when we come home, I tell Aunt Dorita to stop the car so I can go check the mail. I checked the mail. There's a package in there. And it felt kind of square-like. So I was like, is this my new phone or something? Like, did Aunt Eva send it to me? So she was going to come to my birthday. It was my phone. I opened it. It was a fidget spinner. And I was like, oh my lord, it's Richie's. And his other fidget spinner ain't going to be here till the 12th. So, 7 more days. 7 more days. But my stuff is going to be here on the 14th. Hold on, let me go get my memos tablet. I'm sorry, I can't speak right now. Okay, so you guys are kind of in a different position. I don't know how, but I don't remember what the other position was. But I got my memos tablet. It's really big. It was an RCA tablet. She let me use it. It's a flip out case. Oh my god! I'm gonna put y'all right here. Stop saying y'all, Rihanna. They're not y'alls. They're people. They're human beings. Okay, sorry it's kind of crooked, but it's pretty good. Let me just get on Walmart. Okay, so it took me into my place. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, no, it's not gonna work out, so I'm just gonna do it. Sorry, this was a little talking to a sister, but I was gonna say y'all. Stop saying y'all! Okay. Now you're all shaking. I just want to put you guys a good angle. So I got 4 boxes. My brother got 2. I'll show you the fidget spinners 2, I guess. So here is. Oh, you guys looking at a lot of things here. Okay. And here is. I got 2 balls of Elmer's glue. White glue. As you can see, it says it's on its way. Here. The boxes that I get, I get 4 boxes. I only bought 3 things, but the glues must be in separate boxes. So I think I'm gonna get 2 boxes, and it says February 6th. Right there, February 6th. But it's upside down for y'all. Oh my god! I need to really stop saying y'all. And yeah. Shit, there's my brother's stupid little fidget spinner. You can see it. Right there. Here he got his golden one. There's that one. Here he got this one right here. He's got it right now. Okay. Here's the squishies. I think this is the 10 piece. Yep, the 10 piece. These squishies right here. From Walmart. There's that. I'm the first person to buy this, and it's preparing my order. So yeah. Very excited. And if I ever look at guys, all that stuff. But I am super excited. And I'm getting a new phone. I think it's an LG Stylo. I don't know if it's the Stylo one. I don't know. But I just don't get it for my Aunt Eva. I love my Aunt Eva. Not because we get a phone. I love her. She's so nice. Like, whenever I can't get something, she's like, well, this can substitute for it, or this can substitute for it. Like, she comes up with the best things. She's so good at stuff. I love her. She's cute, too. Not like that. Because an old person like my mama. Because my mama's adorable. I love her so much. But yeah. So flippin' excited. And if you guys haven't, go check out my 2 other videos. The one I made this one in, and the one that, hold up, Mama. And the one that, where's my sissy? She's my subscriber. She's a subscriber now. Oh, yeah. I was gonna say something, but I forgot what it was. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe and turn notifications. I think I'm gonna call y'all pickles. Stop saying y'all. I'm gonna call you guys pickles. My little pickles. No, that girl did that already. I'm sorry, I got a sandwich. I'm gonna call you guys doves. My doves. Y'all. Stop saying y'all. You guys are my doves. So, turn on post notifications if you want to become a dove. I'm not going to put anything there, but I did that. So, yeah. Bye.